All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all and welcome to Authentic Media. In this particular video, we are going to be talking about this platform called G Network or Grow Network. You can call it any of them. Okay, so this is the starting point of this particular platform, and it is very, very similar to the platform we've done some time ago, which is called Ember Funds. So if you participated in that project called Ember Funds, or you know about it, then you will basically understand this Grow Network in a nutshell, everything you're supposed to know. But for those that don't really know much about Ember Funds, or probably those that didn't participate, then stick around this video because I'm going to be walking you all through step by step on everything you're supposed to know, how to get started, how to start earning and start cashing out at the end of every month, nothing less than $35 every month, which is above 50,000 naira. So it will be placed for you as a salary by doing simple things. All right, so that is what I will be teaching you guys in this particular video. So this is the interface of the platform. You can see grow your network through fun gameplay, play simple games, earn gaming coins, and build your digital cycle. Click on continue, earn rewards and track your progress. Complete daily challenges and watch your gaming coins grow. Click on the next. Then the last but not the least, play, invite and rise on the leaderboard. Level up by playing and bringing your friends along. So you click on get started. All right, so like I said, I'm going to be dropping the invite link to this particular platform and our referral code so that you will join with it, because without it your account is not going to be verified. Or you can head straight to Play Store and search for Grow Network, download it and join through our referral link, or make use of the download link and everything in the description. Everything are going to be in the description section and comment section of this video. So download through it and sign up with our referral link. So once the app is open like this, for you that is joining new, you click on this particular button that says sign up. So let's just sign up because I'm just joining this platform. So these are the details you need for you to get started. So you have to put your full name because you are going to be making withdrawals. Your full name, email address, username, create password, confirm password. And this is where you are going to be inputting our referral link, okay, our referral code, so that you will get your welcome bonus and get yourself verified. After that, you verify captcha right here. Then you come down right here to click on create account. So let me just quickly do that and we can proceed. Let me put my details immediately. Alright guys, so if you take a look at my screen right here, we will see that I'm done putting all my necessary details right here. All my credentials are here. So the next thing is just to scroll up a bit and click on this verify captcha. So I've verified the captcha. So I've already put in all the details, including my upliners referral code. So do well to make sure you use our own referral code down here so that you get your welcome bonus and get your account verified immediately. So after doing that, scroll up a bit. This particular button will be checked for you automatic. So leave it that way. Then click on create account. Very simple. Then you wait for them to get you started. All right, so let's wait for them to load up so we can proceed to our dashboard. So it's loading up. Okay, so you can see user registered successfully down here, which means our account has been registered successfully. So after registering, the next thing is just to tap on right here, put the email address you use in signing up and the password, and you get your dashboard. So let me do that. Okay, so that is just basically that. You can use either your email or your username, anyone. Okay, then put your password. Then you can tap on this remind me so that next time they are not going to ask you to put the details again. So let me just tap on the remind me button. Then I'll sign in. Then it will take us to our dashboard. Okay, now, so this is how it looks first of all. Sorry guys, they say quick match game. You have to match the particular coins right here. So they'll just give you this in first of all, and this is what you'll be doing every hour to be mining. So you just click to see what is here. Now we fail this one. Okay, now you see what is in this place. You match it this way. Okay, so let's do this. We failed this one. Let's do this again. Okay, so let's just do it and see what is here. Okay, so you guys can see I've gotten this one correct. Then do this one. Okay, I failed this one. Do this one. Okay, I got this one correct. Then do this one again. This one again. Correct. Click here. Then click here. And beautiful. You guys can see excellent. So they are now taking me to my dashboard. Alright, so you can see KYC form loaded successfully. This is how to get your details. So you have to verify your KYC right here. So you just have to come here, put the real name on your ID, put the front, the back, and the ID number, then submit it and get verified. So we'll be doing the verification in our next video. Okay, so we can just click on skip for now. so that we will get to this particular interface. But just note that it is very, very crucial and essential that you verify your KYC. Okay, so this is how you mine every day. You come to this particular button that it says 10G per 60 minutes. So this is an hourly mining. Okay, you have to be mining every hour and be collecting 60 pieces of this coin every hour. So if you click on it right here, you still have to verify this captcha again. All right, you just do the same thing we did initially to get yourself mining. So let me just do that immediately. Okay, so I think I'm getting it already. All right, so let me do this one. No. Okay, then this one again. Beautiful. You can see gaming unlocked. So now our mining will start automatically. All right, loading KYC. Just wait for them to do their thing. So this is what you do every hour. So if we have opportunity to exceed it, so loaded successfully. So let's skip for now again. All right, so if you take a look at my screen right here, you see that my mining has started. So that is just what you do every hour, and the countdown is here already. Okay, so every hour you come back here, verify the captcha and start mining. So you are going to be getting 10G every 60 minutes. That will give you 3,000 pieces at the end of every month. And I'm going to be showing you guys a part where you will understand how we can convert our coins right here every end of the month. So if you click on withdraw this particular session, you will see what you have. So at the end of every month, if you get up to 3,000 G, you are going to be withdrawing $35. So 3,000 G equals $35. Then this particular one equals $75 and so on and so forth. And this is the minimum amount to withdraw. But if you can be able to mine at least 10 times in a day, okay, 10 times in a day, that is leaving the rest 14 hours, you are going to meet up and be able to withdraw at the end of the month. Okay, so that is just how to get started. It's very, very crucial that you get started right now, and if possible, set your alarm. Okay, so you can do a lot of things right here. You can just perform a lot of tasks, and I will still be bringing more updates for you guys about this particular platform. So you guys can see it right here. You can see the community impact so far, the number of app users, the countries, and the app installation. These particular guys are very good to go. So this is not an airdrop that you should participate and stay long. So as we are mining, we are converting to USDT immediately. So more updates will be dropping on this particular platform. But for now, all you have to do is to make sure you sign up with the link in the description section and comment section of this video. Make use of our code, get started and start mining every hour the way I show you guys, and more updates will be dropping. So that is just basically that, and we shall see how it turns out to be at the end of the month. So some people have the opinion that the withdrawal is every end of the month, and some said it is on the 10th of every month and you receive your USDT on the 15th. But anyhow it turns out to be, we shall see to that. So thank you guys for watching. Do the needful and see you guys in our next video.